Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on this channel. I have a very special video today because something very important and special came in, and this was an online order from June of 2022, and then the second order from the same company. I think it was either also June or a couple months afterwards. But I ordered two bufferless bulk carrier groups from Evolution Weapon Systems, and they were back ordered, but they were like severely back ordered. And it took like about a year and a couple months to get here. I got them this July 3 of 2023, and bear with any fan noise that you hear because I'm in my garage and it's hot. So here's the packages. Tape for privacy reasons, and one of them is the just a standard pistol end plate, and the other one is the one with the 1913 rail adapter. And I was surprised these people are in Santa, California, which I haven't heard of that city, but it still shocks me every time I see a weapon-related company working in one of the most Naziest state in the country. And there's a lot of them too, which is crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these up and show you what's inside. Alright, so here's the first box. And there it is. It looks legit. So this is the one with the 1913 rail adapter. Here's the hex wrench, two of them. So I believe this is the part that would screw it into the end of your lower receiver, where the buffer tube would normally go. And then this part would go over it, and you use that for your 1913 rail stocks or pistol stabilizing braces, which are not stocks, by the way. So here's the bolt, main bolt. Trying to get it to focus. And here's the spring portion of the bolt, which stays inside your upper receiver. Jesus. Alright, and that seems to be everything that's inside. Yep, just instructions on how to do it. You get one of these at some point. Yep. Alright, so I'll be back and with the assembled product. So this is what your EWS bufferless bolt carrier would look like. The rod's going inside the back here, and then the spring going into this first piece, and your rail adapter all the way in the back. Later on in the future, when I get a chance, I'm gonna see on what of my stuff I could put this on and test it out and show what it looks like. And yeah, this is, I believe, let's see, let me check here. Okay, so this is, I think this is the first one I've ever ordered. This was from June 10 of 2022. So that's that, and hopefully I'll get to test it on something. So let's move on to the next box, which has just a standard pistol end plate. Okay, so here's the other box. It's just a pistol end plate. Same thingamajigs. Instructions on how to do it. Same instructions for the rail adapter I saw on here, but I guess that's the only part you need. So it's really just the same thing. Just this obviously doesn't have a 1913 rail adapter. So that's the standard one. That's okay, so once again, this is the part that goes into the lower receiver, and then I guess this part goes, I guess this is basically like the standard end plate for a buffer tube air. Just trying to see how it goes. Okay, I think that's what it looks like. And it's just a hex for screwing in this piece to the lower receiver. I'm trying to see if there was a spot for this made to put in like a QD sling point or something. I guess not. Maybe this part, like where it's protruded, goes into the little hole on the lower receiver. Probably goes like that, and the threads are on the other side. So yeah, it's kind of the same bolt carrier group, same spring. Like I said, they give you two wrenches. It's actually 3. Well, it's actually 2 on these, but you get 3 on the 1913 rail one. Yeah. And this one, the standard pistol end plate, I ordered on July 14 of 2022. I think I just did that thing, what I did last year when we went shooting, and said 2022. I just meant 2022. So yeah, so I ordered this one a month afterwards. So July 14 is going to be a whole year since I ordered this one. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I will continue this video once I get to check out to see on what I could put these buffers, these bolt carrier groups in, and hopefully test them out at some point. And yeah, see you later.